Hello there everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to share my Pastel Halloween embellishment box with you guys. I just thought it was so cute. I couldn't wait to use my Pinkaboo paper. So this is my box and this is the top. So this page actually said let's get wicked, but of course, you know, the paper or the size that I needed, I had to cut off the let's, but I thought get wicked is still good, you know, it was still good. So I didn't want to cover up these pumpkins because I just think they're gorgeous. So I put my embellishments on this side, and right here on this spider, guys, you'll recognize that spider, but you recognize it more in black because these are the spiders from Michael's, and I spray painted them pink. I did a few of them, and I put one on the box because yeah, I just thought it came out really cute and pink. And then I used some of this gauze and I made a bow, and I just made the flower here in the center, and I glued it on there, and I put a little butterfly on there. And I did use some bling throughout the, you know, I put one in the center of the flowers, and I just used a few bling pieces. And then this little skull, I got it last year, and I don't remember where. It may have been Hobby Lobby or Michael's, one of the two. Or could have Dollar Tree, I don't know. And then I put a little pink flower to make it a girl. And then I put some eyes. So the skull is up on dimensionals, and then the eyes are down in the on the paper. So it looks really a little creepy in a cool kind of way, because I just love the way that looks. You'll see where those eyes came from in a little bit, unless you can recognize them now, if you know where I got those eyes. Anyway, so I had purchased some creative paper plate, some, you know, clay, and so I had gotten these molds. They're candy molds from Joann. They were having a 50 off the Wilton supplies, so I got those little molds, and I made some tombstones, and I painted this one pink, put a little flower at the bottom, and then again I put some of this gauze stuff in the background. And this bling comes from Dollar Tree. Those are the ones that come, you know, in the little packages. So, and then on the little, I didn't want to cut this off because, you know, she may hang stuff on pegboard, I don't know. So I just made her little tassel of sorts, and I just tied it on there. I tied it because you know, I didn't want it, the loops were too big to do the fold over thing. So I made this little tassel to hang on the end. One side has one of those real pretty flowers, and then the other side has one of the it's a little spider web, glittery spider web in white. So I thought that went pretty well on there. So let me show you what's on the inside. That's the outside of my box. Didn't do anything to the back. So let me open this up. And then this is the inside. Although you can't tell, this is, it's like an ombre effect. It's another side of this. It's the top part of this right here. And I didn't do any decorating on that because I feel like it barely closes as it is. So I didn't want to, you know, put anything on there and make it even a tighter fit. So this is what's on the inside. I painted, these are the little the skeleton hands. I painted those pink. Some more of the little tombstones. This one's lavender. And I didn't have lavender, so I got purple and put white in it to make it lavender. And then some, this is a green bone, and another one, and then another small tombstone. So that's in there, and these. And then these just have some little pieces that I had gotten from AliExpress. They aren't very pastel, but at least they're not, you know, totally black and orange. So I thought, well, let me put them in there. And then on this side, I just put some foam stickers on there. These are the sugar skulls. This one's the guy, the girl, and then I have a pumpkin and a little ghost, and then another one in purple. Whoop. So there's that side. And then on this side, I did orange, black, and purple pom-poms because that's what I had, but I just remembered that I have these from AliExpress. So I am going to take these out. I don't know, I can't believe I didn't think of that. And I'm going to put some pink, white, and some green. There we go. Looks better. Alright guys, that looks better to me. A little fuller too. Yay! I'm glad I remembered. Okay, so we got pom-poms in that one. And in this one we have some of the spider web, some of the little bling flowers, and a little boo. And then this one has, I ordered these because I knew I was going to make this. So these are pastel ghosts and bats. So yep, there we go. And they were kind of glittery. Yeah, you can kind of tell. They're a little glittery, and I just thought they would be perfect for this box. So I ordered those, and I ordered the little candy lollipops as well. And I didn't keep any for me. I put them all in there. And then here are some more of the spiders that I painted. And then these are a couple of bats as well. This took several days because I wanted it to fully dry before I put them in here. So yeah, that was fun. And then in this one we have googly eyes, blue, green, orange, and pink. This is where I got the eyes for the skull. I cut a couple of these open. I was playing around with colors. I cut a couple of these open and stuck them down in there. I just love the way that looks. I think I'll do that again in another project because I just love that. All right, guys, that is my share of my embellishment, my what is it, pink embellishment box, or pastel embellishment box. So I hope you like what I have shared with you and gotten a little inspiration. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will talk to everyone later. You all have a great day. Thanks a lot.